anytime you have an opportunity to spend some time, some money, some resources on getting better at your craft, don't ever hesitate, because that is the only investment you have direct control over, and nobody can take it from you. You know, in my professional and personal life, one of the most challenging things that took me a long time to grasp and understand in the growth process is investing in myself. You see, that is something that a lot of people I know to struggle with. And the reason why is because a lot of times when we think about investment, we think about investing in things outside of ourselves, intangible things like land, like a house, maybe like buying some goods and reselling them for profit. But I want to tell you, permit me submit to you today, that the greatest investment you might ever make in your life will be investing in yourself. You see, people will not applaud you for the same thing twice. You know, when you've gotten proficient in something, you're a good performer, maybe an athlete or speaker or so professional in whatever you do, right? And people start giving you accolades, they start cheering you, they start applauding you and telling you how great you are. You have to realize it is time for you to start investing in yourself to get even better. Because people will not applaud you for the same performance twice. Because by the second time, the surprise element is gone, and the way they looked at it the first time at the level of excellence, the second time, it would have diminished a little bit. So it is important for you to keep investing in yourself. I share the story with you because I'm actually in Los Angeles, in LA. I'm actually in the famed Lois Hotel. This hotel is actually right off the Hall of the Walk of Fame in LA. If you've ever seen the stars on the ground where they have names of different celebrities, the hotel is right there. And I came here today for a 4-day seminar. This seminar has been organized by a legendary speaker called Lisa Nichols, and it's called Ignite. Now, I'm going to be spending $2,500 as a seminar fee. And then by the time you include my hotel fees and all the other expenses, it's about a $4,000 project. And you would naturally ask yourself, but Gustav, why do you need to come to a seminar where you're going to be taught speaking? I watch your videos, you speak very well. I watch you on YouTube, on Facebook, you speak excellently. You are a speaker, you've spoken to in front of hundreds of people. I see some of the write-ups you do on Facebook. You write up very well. Why are you trying to attend another seminar to get better at that? And the reason I'm doing that is because if you think I'm good, that means it is time for me to get even better. You have to understand the enemy to great is good, right? And for the things people appreciate me for already, what that tells me is that I need to get even better, so that way the impact on people have to be even more. Now I bring up this point because a lot of people struggle with understanding why they should invest in themselves. Somebody listening to me now, I'm not sharing this information and what I'm investing in myself here to be arrogant or to be proud of anything. I am just sharing it to let you understand that the biggest niche, the biggest investment opportunity in your life most likely is going to be you. Especially in this time, in this economy, when everyone has to build a personal brand and a personal skill, where everyone has to learn how to contribute to generate income and revenue for yourself without necessarily counting on employment or somebody giving you a job, right? So I got into LA this morning, and interestingly enough, I was at the airport waiting to catch an Uber to get to the hotel, and I started chatting somebody up, and we just had a conversation, and we started talking about the need for self-investment, the need for people nowadays to sacrifice what it takes to get better at their craft. Let me tell you, I have watched great athletes like Kobe Bryant, like Messi who plays football, Cristiano Ronaldo, Samuel Eto'o, all of these athletes. The one thing that really makes them very different is their willingness to invest for that incremental difference. That incremental difference means amongst themselves with other players who are marginal, right? The difference a lot of times is just one or two things. that they do differently, that they've been able to work on differently to get to where they are. I was listening to an interview by Rooney. Rooney used to play for Manchester United along with Cristiano Ronaldo, and he confessed that Cristiano Ronaldo is the hardest working player he has ever met in his life. Now think about it for a second. This is one of the greatest soccer players who might ever have graced the soccer pitch, right? But he works harder than every other player. He mentioned that at the end of training, Cristiano Ronaldo will come on the field after all of them have trained for 2 hours, and he will spend another hour taking free kicks. And that is what made his free kicks so proficient, right? So now if you're sitting there listening to me, I need you to understand that investing in yourself is critical, because that is what is going to create that marginal difference that takes you from good to great. So anytime you have an opportunity to spend some time, some money, some resources on getting better at your craft, don't ever hesitate, because that is the only investment you have direct control over, and nobody can take it from you. So as you go out there, be well, be blessed, but never stop to be a blessing to somebody. And please comment in the comment section. Let me know exactly what part of this video you enjoy. If there are topics you would like me to talk about, feel free to leave it in the comment. And if you want to book a one-on-one appointment with me, click in the link in the comment, and you'll sure get a chance to talk to me for 30 minutes. Until next time, take care of yourself.